how to shorten video in Kdenlive. So let's jump right into the video. So what you have to do is to right click, add clip or folder, select the video, grab the video and drag it into the timeline, and here we like to shorten this video. But as you can see, actually I would like to zoom in, so hold Control and use the middle mouse button and increase, and now you can zoom in. And here let's actually drag let's actually shorten this video. You can also shorten from here, grab and you shorten this video, or from this side as well, shorten the video. But what I do usually to shorten the video, let's say I like to shorten this video around here, this frame, I'll just you can press on your keyboard S or X actually, sorry, not Z, X, press S, and now just make some cuts, cut here, and now we go and select S, selection tool. I would like to delete this part, and right click, delete selected item, and now this video is shortened. And I would like to delete this frame as well. X, cut, right click, or S, select, right click, delete. So that's how you shorten a video in Kdenlive. This video helped you out. Don't forget to subscribe. I really appreciate it. It will help a lot this YouTube channel, this small YouTube channel. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care.